Hello, have you ever had any interest in owning a cabin in the middle of the Forest Service in Idaho? Well, I've got the place for you. I'm coming to you from a little old mining town called Oro Grande. I have a cabin right over here behind my shoulder. That's the Crooked River flowing right beneath us. And this property is completely surrounded by Forest Service, and it's on the edge of the Frank Church Wilderness area. So if this interests you at all, stick around. And I'm going to show you around, but I'm not going to lie to you. This is an authentic cabin. It is not fancy at all. The gentleman is living in it, so it is very livable, but chances are you're going to want to do some major remodeling, and you might even decide to tear it down and start all over. But the key is where this property is located. It is almost impossible to ever find these come up for sale. They are passed down from generation to generation, so this is your opportunity to own a cabin in Oro Grande. All right, walking into the cabin here. Immediately, here is the kitchen. Have an electric range. There's a sink there. I'm gonna turn real quick. Check out the bathroom. You got the hot water heater, the shower, toilet, and sink. This wood burning stove is hooked up and included with the house. Turn the corner here. You may have noticed that the chimney is in need of repair, so they're not using this wood burning stove currently, but the owner didn't replace it because he actually thought it'd be nice to take all of that out and put a nice door into the house from there. And I'm going to turn right here, and you're going to see there's already another wood burning stove in here besides the wood burning cook stove, so plenty of sources of heat. Come out here and step out on the porch real quick. The seller has Starlink internet here. He shares it with a neighbor and they share their bill. But there you go. Let's zoom in. That is Crooked River right there. The shop is right there below us. We'll get down to that in just a moment. Go back into the house. We'll walk up the stairs over here real quick. We are now in the loft. There's a closet behind that bookshelf. Another bed on this side. And the loft also has a deck. A little better view of Crooked River right there. All right, let's go check out the basement. Here we are in the basement. As you can see, there's also another wood burning stove down here. Keep you plenty warm. There's an outside entrance right there. Root cellar. The seller is getting ready to move, so he's got some stuff piled up in here. And all right, now let's go out and check out the shop. All right, this is a brand new well just installed, and it's doing 20 gallons a minute. Nice, fresh, clean water. All right, we're down here in the garage. I want you to know that all of that stuff should be gone by the time you come here to view the property. But right in here, I'm going to go ahead and warn you. Like I'd mentioned, the seller is working on moving out of here, so this has become kind of a staging area. A lot of it probably will be gone before you come back too, but as you can see, just a nice shop right here. There's a roll-up door, electric here, walk-through door. Is a wood floor, but just a nice building here for you. Store all your toys, your vehicle if you're using this as a cabin. And of course, all the birds are leaving with the seller. So there you go. That's a quick tour around the property. If you have any interest, please give me a call. Again, my name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate, and we'd love to bring you up here and show you around and see if we can't get you moved into this nice little cabin up here in the forests of Idaho.